And ang daming nag-lose ng ilang kilo in just 20 days. So, ang ganda nito. Ako, gusto ko siyang iniinom first thing in the morning. Yung pagising, wala pang laman yung tiyan para mas nakukuha ko lahat ng nutrients. This is formulated, guys, in Japan. So, lahat ng ingredients ito is from Japan.
I take it all the time. My kids also drink it now. Kasi nakakahawa sila. They're like, ano ba yan, mommy? Patry nga. And they try it. And I'm actually happy to give it to them. It also helps with cancer, lowers blood pressure. Try ko nga. And true enough, first day pa lang na ininom ko siya without drinking or eating anything. Naramdaman ko na, hindi, medyo, kasi yung alignment na katawan ko medyo nag-iba ever since I gave birth to my second. The first day that I drank it, ang tagal kong magutom. Nakakapag-diet na ako ulit. Totoo, nakakatulong siya sa weight loss.
Kung may problema kayo sa cholesterol, mataas ang cholesterol, may sakit sa puso, ito yung natural way na hindi ka naiinom ng simvastatin at orvastatin. Bababa yung cholesterol mo ng mga 20 points. Cholesterol mo 280, baka bumaba ng 260, 250 na lang. Kasi meron siyang beta-glucan, isang soluble fiber na nakakababa ng bad cholesterol. Parang inaalis niya yung cholesterol sa katawan natin. Kaya napakaganda. Subukan niyo po, lalo na pag everyday yan. Asan mo, zero cholesterol, ang baba ng sodium, mataas sa potassium, at mataas sa fiber. Meron siyang soluble fiber na pampababa ng cholesterol. May protein pa. So, bukod sa cholesterol, number 2, maganda for diabetes control o baka mild diabetes.
I still drink every day just to help me stop my cravings and still burn fats. And it helps me burn more fats and helps me get rid of cravings. They have free shipping nationwide and they're on sale.